How to fix quantum fiber internet not working. So, first thing you can do is to check your equipment lights. The lights on your quantum fiber ONT and router are crucial diagnostic tools. Consult your quantum fiber equipment manual, but generally you look for power light. It should be solid green, indicating the device is powered on. Internet or online light. This light typically indicates a successful connection to quantum fiber's network. A solid green or blue light is usually good. A flashing or absent light often signifies a problem. One or internet port light. If you have a separate router, this light shows connectivity to the ONT. Now, second thing you can do is to power cycle your equipment. This is the most common and often effective fix for many connectivity problems. It essentially refreshes the connection between your devices and quantum fiber's network. So unplug the power adapter from your quantum fiber ONT. If you have a separate router, unplug your power adapter as well. Wait for at least 60 seconds, and this allows capacitors to discharge and the devices to fully reset. Plug the power adapter back into the ONT. Wait for all of the lights to stabilize. If you have a separate router, plug its power adapter back in and wait for its lights to stabilize. Test your internet connection after that. Now, after that, you need to check your physical connection. So ensure all cables are securely plugged in. This includes the power cord to the ONT and router, the fiber optic cable connecting to the ONT, the Ethernet cable connecting to the ONT to your router. Now, verify network outages. Quantum Fiber typically provides ways to check for local outages, and this might be through Quantum Fiber app, Quantum Fiber website, social media, and calling support. Lastly is to test with a wired connection. So to rule out Wi-Fi issues, connect a computer directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. If the internet works via cable but not Wi-Fi, the problem lies with your wireless network. This is a crucial step in isolating the issue. And that is how you can basically fix quantum fiber internet not working.